Welcome again, guys. My name is Ricky and this is another Ira Fix. One of my earlier videos featured a fully restored Tomica Mercedes-Benz 300L with the Gulf Wing style doors, similar to this one in my hand here. That one was fully restored, as I said, and the color was metallic silver. This one will be customized, however. I have a silver one, so you probably can guess what color I'm going to use on this one. At the end of the video, you can view, I'm going to show you both of them. The original one and this one that I'm about to customize, and you can tell me which one you prefer. The post from this one was drilled out prior to me starting the video. And I took the car apart. Now I'm just trying to remove the windshield, which is being held in by a rivet. This one does not have a front grille or the headlamps, which comes in one. The headlamps and the grills were built in one, and I can't find it. I don't know where it is, so I will have to improvise, and I do not wish to spend any money to buy just the grille and the headlamps alone. So I will have to customize something, and as I said, at the end of the video you can tell me if you like it. So I just dunk it in my quick stripper container here and let it sit for a few minutes. Then I remove it, and somehow the paint comes off real easy, quite easily. And I just give it a little wash in some warm soapy water. I always try to wear a latex glove, especially on the hand that is handling the car most, which is my left hand. Somehow think that the paint stripper is kind of toxic, so just try to protect my hand with a latex glove. As you can see, the body of the car is in very good condition. It has no pitting, it has no oxidation. Now I'm just trying to remove the residue, paint residue, to make the car easier for priming and painting. So there's a car here. It looks real good. I'm just gonna give it a little rub with a triple lock steel wool just to further prepare it for painting. As you can see, as I told you before, it did not have any grills, so I'm gonna come up with something. I don't know if it will work, but I trust my instincts. So I'm using a little JB weld. JB weld comes in two parts: the cement itself, which is the black part, and the hardener, which is the creamish looking one. And just combine both of them together, and I'm just using a piece of tape to put at the back of the grill, the section where the grill is, and then we're just gonna fill it up with some JB weld. Just want to get the tape, you get it in really tight. and then I just fill it up with the JB weld. So I let the JB weld sit for about 24 hours, and when it is fully cured, I remove the tape and did a little sanding. So I'm just removing the tapes now to sand it, and just to sand it down to where I think it should be. I'm using my rotary tool and a sanding tip. I could have used a file, but this goes a bit faster. Even though the file would be much safer, but this is faster. I'm just estimating where the metal is, taking care not to touch the metal. I just speed up the video a little because to watch me do this, you might get a little bored, so I just speed up the video while I'm editing. So as you can see, still need a little more sanding. So I think I've done enough with the rotary tool. So I'm just gonna use a file now to do the rest of it. And then I use some sandpaper, starting with about 800 grit and working my way down to about 3000, just to finish this sanding job. So I think I've satisfied myself to take it down to where I think it should be with the rotary tool, the file, and the sandpaper. And now I'm just give it a wash, and then it's time for me to prime. So I'm just using Tester's fine primer and allow it to dry. And now it's time for me to paint, and then while I'm painting you will see what color I'm using. So as you can see, I'm using gold. I'm using Tester's gold with metallic flakes, and it's gonna give it a real good shine. Now I'm gonna clean the windshield. The windshield is in good condition, but I'm just gonna give it a little polish. Using a cotton bud. As you can see, it is really shiny. It is well cleaned. Now it's time for assembling. I had changed the color of the interior, well, the top half of the interior. I didn't want to trouble the bottom part. Just want to let a piece of it remain as red. So the person who gets it after me, as I know I won't have it forever, will know that the original interior was red. And now I'm doing a little detailing, putting in the headlights and the tail lights also. And here it is, the Tomica Mercedes-Benz 300L in gold. It has a Mercedes-Benz emblem at the front and one at the back. And I'm going to compare both of them now, and you can tell me which one you prefer. The gold one has different rims. The silver one has the original rims and the original grille at the front. So guys, please subscribe and let me know which one you prefer. Once again, thanks for watching.